In today's video, I'm going to teach you on how to use invisible namespace in your name in Free Fire Max. Let's get started. Once you're in the main lobby, tap on the profile icon on the upper left part of the screen. Next, tap on your name on the upper right part. This is where you can change your nickname. Note that you need 390 diamonds to change it once you've used your free change nickname. To use an invisible namespace, open a browser on your device and search for Free Fire Namespace. Now, open this website by Free Fire Mania. Scroll through the site and look for the invisible namespace section. You can select whether you want a large or the small one, then tap the copy button to copy it on your clipboard. Now go back to Free Fire Max app and then enter your name, then paste the copied invisible namespace to the part that you want. You can see here that I've pasted it between this name. There you go. You have the invisible namespace on your nickname.